Do not film that part. That just looks really weird.
How do you train a...
Wait, does Kim Kardashian have babies? Hey, Veezy fam! It is cold outside.
I'm as cold as a cold wind blows.
I don't know why. We're in Florida and it's like 5 degrees. We got a crazy video today. You guys saw the thumbnail. Yes, a new kid or kids are coming to the channel. Oh, geez. I already got 4. What is going on here? I'll tell you what's going on, but first you must like this video and then we'll continue. You done? All right, let's go. So you guys know everything on the Veezy farm is practically a rescue. We rescue goats, we rescue llamas, we rescue everything. Well, one of our rescues, this one, was getting a little big. And we were wondering why, because we don't have anything to get her big. We found out she's pregnant. Birdie is pregnant and gonna have a baby or babies. And when goats have babies, they're called kids, so we're getting some new kids. I don't know who the dad is. I think from where we rescued her from, maybe it's another goat. Hopefully it's another goat and not a llama. Look at that hair. Oh, your hair is so beautiful. You have the most beautiful hair ever. We got a pregnant goat. We're also getting some new goats in today's video. This is like a total goat video. All right, so what we did special for Birdie is we changed up her diet. She's got some special grains that's perfect for pregnant goats. We also put a bunch more hay in her house right there, and she's been sleeping there for a lot of the day. I guess when you're pregnant, you sleep a lot. I don't know, I've never been pregnant. Wonder what it feels like to be pregnant and just gain like 70 pounds and walk around and demand your husband get you pickles.
I love pickles.
Speaking of new babies, you guys remember the little black duck that I said was our favorite duck that comes to us, and I forgot what we named him. Hi, baby. I don't even know if we actually came up with a name, but I said one video, 1,000 likes, we're gonna bring him in the house, and he was one that I think we hatched. Anyway, so we came into here, our little obby tubing enclosure. We were looking, and we found out that I guess it's a she now. She was sitting on like 100 eggs. So let's be really quiet and come and see the mom-to-be. Come on. Hi, baby. Look at her. All right, we're gonna leave her alone. Where did she get all those feathers from? She's got a nest in here and she's got like 50 eggs under her. So I know they're Muscovies, but she's got more babies. So we got more babies coming. We got more baby ducks coming, hopefully. Guys.
At least he didn't go in the car.
So we got Merle, and we're gonna name the baby Merle's friend. Just because for like 5 months, they've been together. Look at him coming. Come on. Come on, buddy. All right, so that was easier than expected. We got pregnant Birdie here. We got Rob Goatdashian and Kim Goatdashian. And then we got Merle now and Merle's friend. That's the clan right now. You want one of these, Merle's friend? Oh, you like that, don't you? Oh, yeah, you do. It's cold out, so we're gonna get to know them a little bit. Maybe hang out, I don't know, have a couple drinks, play some darts. I like them. What do you guys think? Give a shout out to them in the comments. Say, what up, Merle? Welcome. Welcome to the, look at these horns, bro. I'm gonna make some shoes out of them or something. Look at it, aw.
He's big.
He's got good hair. Looks like Jayla's haircut. We should dye it red. We should dye his hair red.
Yeah, but just this.
Just the bangs. Aw, they're playing. That's how they get to know each other. Dude, what if we did that as humans? Like as soon as we like met each other, that's how we got to know people. We just headbutted them. We just rolled up on people, bam! Headbutt them. That's how you get to know people. That would be awesome. Merle's friend, what up? I know he's supposed to be castrated. However, if he's not, imagine how cute those babies would be with him and Kim. Wait, does Kim Kardashian have babies? With Kanye. Bro, that's Kanye! Yeezy! Oh my God, look at Epiphany. That's Kim Kardashian. Comment down below if we should just change the name from Merle's friend to Yeezy. Oh my God, it's so perfect. Merle, do you want some more hay, dude? I cannot wait to like braid his beard, his goatee. Dude, he's like a biker goat. Tell me that don't look dope. Oh my God. Merle, you're gonna be the star of this show. We're gonna get some merch. Look at how friendly he is. And this is the first pet on the farm that actually likes Anthony. That's so perfect. He loves Kim.
That's not Kim.
Who's that?
Rob.
Well, I'm sure Kanye and Rob got into a little beefs throughout the year, so it kind of makes sense. So we rescued Yeezus, aka Kanye, and Merle today, and they're here at the farm. So Merle, I don't even know what kind of goat he is, but he's got giant horns, and then little Kanye over there follows him around all day. That's why we were calling him Merle's friend, but I changed that once I saw him and Kim developing a relationship. Got a whole bunch of goats, and we got babies coming, and is that gonna be more money for food?
Yeah.
This is not a good position. Do not film that part. That just looks really weird. Yeah, you stand there because we're not trying to film that. That looks really weird. Bro, how did you get your whole body and them giant horns in there? Hey, watch this, guys. Come up here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, buddy. What are you doing in there? How did you fit your whole body in there, homie?
He's talking now.
What the heck? We're just gonna close this and let him do his thing. How did... Look at the spiders we get on the farm. Dude, how did he fit his body in there? What a crazy goat. All right, so in a future video, we are gonna redo all of this because as of right now, none of the goats go up there because they're short and they're small. Remember Paul's goats, they used to jump all over the place, but they were big, kind of like Merle. Maybe Merle will go up there. But in a future video, we're definitely gonna redo all this for the goat enclosure and get it something a little bit shorter that they can all play on. You guys are excited about that. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure your post notifications are on, and make sure you comment down below that you're now part of the Veezy fam. And for the OG Veezy fam members that have been here from day one, we love you guys. You love them?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them.
I love you guys.
Just say it like you mean it.
I love you guys.
That's how you're gonna say I love you? Be nice. Say it like you mean it.
I love you.
He loves you too. We're gonna just take our goat for a walk because he's so friendly and he just wants to like hang out, and I'm gonna start taking him to like shows and stuff. Look at, I'm training. Ow, that's my... Dude, his horns are thick. Let's go, buddy. Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's go look at the canal. Come on. How do you train a goat to walk? Come on, Papa. Dude, I'm gonna exercise you. Come on. Come on, Papa. Let's go look at the canal. All right, so me and Merle are just gonna go for a walk, new best friends. I bet you we're around the same age. You probably have the same likes as me. Wait, who is your favorite rap group of all time? All right? If you don't say like Wu-Tang or Bone Thugs, we're not friends. Ow. Merle, who's your favorite rap group?
It's the Thuggish Ruggers Ball. It's the Thuggish Ruggers Ball.
The stuff that we do for videos. Oh, why am I walking a goat down the street? Like if people that knew me just like drove by and saw me. Every day, we're gonna walk Merle a little bit farther and farther. And eventually we're gonna end up walking him to the store and then putting like groceries on his back. Whoa, yeehaw, yeehaw. So Merle went for a walk today. We're gonna train him, dude. I might even keep him in the house if the dogs didn't go bananas.
He might be sitting on the couch watching some TV like this.
He's like a grown man. It's kind of cool to have like another dude around that I can like talk to. We'll play football together. Yeah. Merle, yeah, Merle, yeah, Merle, yeah. Can't wait to get some Merle merch. Would you guys wear Merle merch? Comment down below if you would wear Merle merch. Like a hoodie or a hat or
some shorts.
Dude, some Merle Crocs.
Oh, yeah.
That would be so dope.
I'll wear them every
Guys,
day.
comment down below if you want some Merle merch. I'll get some made.
Merle Crocs.
Yo, special shout out goes to Cindy for bringing over Merle and who we are naming Kanye, no matter what anybody says. Shout out to you guys because I love shouting y'all out. Go down in the comments right now and post stuff that you want to see us do. We got a couple up and coming videos, but then after that, our schedule's wide open, yo. We're here for you in 2023, right? Like this video, make sure you subscribe, share this video with your grandma. Grandmas love VeezyKids. Let's go. Ah!